Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Thursday. It's about not quite 2:30 Eastern Time. Market's fairly benign today, except for the wheat market, and we'll get to that in a second. Cotton today broke, and will close lower, but I think we'll on the old crop. New crop actually closed slightly higher today. December cotton going out at 64.33, up 4. I think there's some unwinding of some bull spreads between old crop and new crop, and that sort of drove it. The exports came out today off a little bit, 177,000 bales, but still a good number. Shipments were off a little bit, but still a good number there. Interestingly, that China and Turkey were the two largest buyers. Of course, China alleges to have all this gobs of cotton, but she continues to buy our cotton. So one wonders about either the amount of cotton she possesses or the quality of that cotton, or I guess actually both. But anyway, we'll see. The next, of course, major move coming up will probably come around that Tuesday's planted acres numbers. They're probably looking for like 9.5 million acres, a 12 to 15% reduction from last year. Over in the grains today, we had an improved sales number for beans, but they still were down a little bit. Wheat had a marketing year low on its sales, and with the notion of some rain, wheat was down close to 18 cents today. Very disappointing new crop July wheat around 5.05. September corn today victimized somewhat by the wheat, and spread action went down about 4 cents, 4.06 in September. Corn, although old crop corn sales were off just a little bit, and again we're looking towards those acres numbers of next week. Conventional wisdom says we're going to see a lot more bean acres and a lot more corn acres, and those reasons are obvious. Beans are, $9.50 to $10, and corn's $4 or less. So you would think the farmer's going to follow the money, and I guess that's going to be the case. We did have some overnight trouble in that Saudi Arabia has jumped on Yemen. That has caused crude oil to jump up about $2.50 to $3 a barrel. And it looks like the Middle East is about to really get involved in a lot of different flare-ups from all across the region. The dollar is back up today, and the euro's back down today. So one wonders if that euro-dollar spread's going to start back working again, where people buy the dollar, sell the euro. That would be sort of a bullish slant towards that. Stock market doesn't know what to do. It's down 10 points right now. So tomorrow's the end of the week. We're going to be thinking about next Tuesday and getting positioning for that. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.